From Zero to Crypto Hero, Investing Basics for 2024. In an era where digital currencies are becoming as common as smartphones, diving into the world of cryptocurrency can seem like navigating a vast, uncharted ocean. As we step into 2024, the landscape of digital currency continues to evolve, offering new opportunities for investors who are willing to delve into this digital frontier. Whether you're intrigued by the technological revolution or eyeing the potential for significant returns, understanding the basics of cryptocurrency investment is the first step on your journey from zero to crypto hero. Understanding the basics of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency stands at the forefront of digital innovation, transforming how we perceive and utilize money. At its core, cryptocurrency is a digital currency secured by cryptography, which makes it not only challenging to counterfeit but also uniquely protected against double spending. The underlying technology propelling the majority of cryptocurrencies is the blockchain. This decentralized ledger extends across numerous computers, ensuring transactions are recorded with a high level of security and transparency. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have captured the public's attention not just as digital money, but as potential alternatives to traditional financial systems. Their decentralized nature, free from the control of governments or central banks, promises a future where financial transactions might be more democratic, accessible, and secure. However, the path to fully understanding cryptocurrency involves more than recognizing its technological underpinnings. It's about appreciating the philosophical shift it represents, a move towards a system where trust is established not by central authorities, but through consensus and cryptographic proof. As you embark on your investment journey, grasping these principles will illuminate the reasons behind the growing adoption of cryptocurrencies and their potential to reshape our financial landscape. Research is your best investment. Diving into the cryptocurrency market without a solid foundation of knowledge is like embarking on a voyage through treacherous waters without a map. The most crucial step you can take before investing a dime is dedicating time to comprehensive research. This involves delving deep into the mechanics of the cryptocurrency market, understanding the technology that powers digital currencies, and dissecting the unique attributes of each coin that piques your interest. Engaging with the community by reading white papers, participating in online forums, and keeping tabs on the insights shared by reputable crypto influencers are invaluable practices. These actions will equip you with the ability to discern between different types of tokens, such as utility tokens versus security tokens, which could have significant implications for your investment decisions. Familiarizing yourself with the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency through thorough research will not only sharpen your investment acumen, but also empower you to navigate the complexities of the market with informed confidence. By investing in your knowledge base, you lay a solid foundation upon which your future investment decisions can securely stand, setting the stage for a more informed and strategic entry into the world of cryptocurrency investing. Selecting a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Embarking on the journey of cryptocurrency investment necessitates the crucial step of finding a trustworthy exchange. This platform serves as your gateway to buying, selling, and trading a myriad of digital currencies. When zeroing in on an exchange, key considerations should encompass its security protocols, the intuitiveness of its interface, the competitiveness of transaction fees, and the diversity of cryptocurrencies it supports. High-profile exchanges such as Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken have garnered a reputation for their robust security measures and beginner-friendly interfaces, making them excellent choices for newcomers. It's imperative to verify that the exchange adheres to the regulatory standards set forth in your jurisdiction, adding an additional layer of safety to your digital endeavors. This choice is more than just a convenience. It's about ensuring the longevity and security of your investments in the dynamic sphere of cryptocurrency. By carefully selecting a platform that aligns with your needs and regulatory requirements, you position yourself for a smoother and more secure investment experience. This step is not just about starting your investment journey, but about strategically safeguarding it against the unpredictable waves of the digital currency market. Setting up and securing your cryptocurrency wallet. Your journey into cryptocurrency investment necessitates a critical step: choosing and securing a wallet for your digital assets. Wallets are the digital counterparts to physical wallets, but instead of storing paper currency, they hold the keys to your cryptocurrencies. They range from online wallets, accessible via the internet, known as hot wallets, to offline storage options like hardware or paper wallets, cold wallets, each offering different levels of security and accessibility. Opting for a cold wallet, such as a hardware wallet, is often recommended for those holding significant amounts of cryptocurrency due to its enhanced security features. These devices store your private keys offline, making them immune to online hacking attempts. Conversely, hot wallets provide convenience for frequent traders who require rapid access to their assets, though they are more vulnerable to cyber threats. When setting up any cryptocurrency wallet, emphasize robust security practices. Enable features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, to add an extra layer of security to your account. Additionally, ensure that your wallet provides effective backup options and employs strong encryption to protect your private keys. Keeping these considerations in mind when selecting and securing your cryptocurrency wallet is paramount, as the responsibility for safeguarding your digital assets lies with you. Developing a strategic investment plan. Crafting a well-thought-out investment strategy is critical for navigating the volatile world of cryptocurrency. Start by evaluating your investment horizon. Are you aiming for the potential long-term appreciation of assets, or do you seek quicker returns through short-term trading? This decision will shape your approach, influencing the types of cryptocurrencies you might focus on and the amount of capital you're willing to allocate to each investment. Diversification is another key element of a strategic investment plan. By spreading your investments across different types of cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects, you can mitigate risk and reduce the impact of market volatility on your portfolio. Remember, the principle of never investing more than you can afford to lose is paramount. Cryptocurrency markets can be unpredictable, and while they offer substantial opportunities for gains, the potential for loss is equally significant. It's also essential to consider the tax implications of your crypto investments. Tax laws regarding cryptocurrencies can vary widely by country and may influence your strategy in terms of how and when you buy, sell, or trade your digital assets. By carefully considering these factors and setting clear, achievable goals, you can develop a strategic investment plan that aligns with your financial objectives and risk tolerance, paving the way for a more structured and disciplined approach to your cryptocurrency investments. Staying informed and continuing to learn. In the dynamic world of cryptocurrency, where trends can shift and new technologies emerge with astonishing speed, maintaining a pulse on the industry's heartbeat is essential. To thrive as an investor, adopting a proactive approach to education is key. This means going beyond the initial research phase and committing to a continuous learning journey. Engaging with a variety of resources will enrich your understanding and adaptability in this space. Subscribe to leading crypto news platforms, which offer in-depth analyses and updates on market movements. Following thought leaders and influencers on social platforms can provide unique insights and foresight into future trends. Furthermore, participating in forums and online communities allows for the exchange of ideas and strategies with fellow enthusiasts. These interactions not only deepen your knowledge but also expand your network in the crypto world. By actively seeking new information and embracing the ethos of lifelong learning, you position yourself to make more informed decisions and stay ahead in the rapidly evolving cryptocurrency landscape. Navigating risk and managing expectations. Venturing into cryptocurrency investment is accompanied by its unique set of challenges, among which market volatility stands out prominently. The price of digital currencies can fluctuate wildly in short periods, influenced by factors such as regulatory news, technological advancements, and market sentiment. It's crucial for investors to acknowledge this inherent volatility and to prepare mentally and financially for the possibility of sudden market shifts. Additionally, the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is still in development and can vary significantly across different countries. Changes in regulations can have immediate impacts on market dynamics and investment viability. Keeping abreast of these changes is vital to navigate the legal intricacies successfully. Security risks also pose a significant concern, with instances of exchanges being hacked or investors falling prey to scams. Adopting rigorous security measures, as highlighted in the section on securing your cryptocurrency wallet, is non-negotiable to protect your investments. Balancing optimism with realism is key when setting expectations for your cryptocurrency investments. While the allure of high returns is compelling, it's essential to invest only what you can afford to lose and to view cryptocurrency as one component of a diversified investment strategy. By understanding and managing these risks, investors can approach the crypto market with a balanced perspective, ready to seize opportunities while mitigating potential downsides.